Hi guys, and welcome to our channel The Khan's Creation. Today we are visiting the newly opened park, the Sheikh Park in Khorfakkan. As we are going from Ras Al Khaimah to Khorfakkan, we have taken the Dibba Masafi road. On the way we also came across the Masafi water plant. We are entering Khorfakkan and now we are on our way to the park. The park covers around 11,362 square meter of area. Everything from pathways to walls is made of stones. And do you know what is the best part of this park? It's this, the man-made 25-meter long waterfall, which is the visitors' main attraction. The park also contains a mountain walkway of 3 mountain terraces connected by stone stairs leading to the main viewing platform at a height of 30 meters from the main park level. So let's go upstairs and see what's the views like. And this is what I wanted to show you guys. The sight from the viewing deck is absolutely magnificent. Take a look at the viewing deck. Here are some pictures that I took from up here. Now here is something of my interest, a barbecue area, prepared and equipped with high standards of safety and environmental protection. Well, we did enjoy our barbecue. The park is covered with different types of flowers and palm trees, which is really comforting and relaxing. And this is why most of the families are here. A highly equipped play area, which consists of different fun-filled activities for the children. The last but not the least, the park also have 32 shaded sitting areas for families. If you are looking for a good long drive and somewhere fun to be, then Sheikh Park is the ideal place to be. We really enjoyed this place and I'm sure you will too. It's time to go back now, and I just wanted to say a huge thank you for watching my video. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.